So what happened?
All right, so basically we were coming over that bridge and one of our straps came loose and the mattress fell off the back of the truck, so we pulled over, put the hazards on to go grab the mattress. As soon as we got out, the other driver flew up over the hill, going way over the speed limit, and plowed right into the back of us. As she hit the truck hit me, and then I fell into the other lane. The other cars saw that and they slowed down and stopped. And everyone paused and waited. The truck kept rolling down the hill, hit one other guardrail up there, and then came down here and stopped and hit this one. I was in park the whole time. I guess the park must have broke. Yeah, that's the tailgate. Somehow it's still...
Yeah, strong cables. Shattered out the back glass.
Probably a safety.
Yeah, probably tripped the little gas line switch thingy. Forgot what that's called.
Yeah.
The auto shutdown relay or whatever.
Yep.
All right, so nothing to do until the tow truck shows up.